guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm doing a Christmas Eve makeup look. Get ready with me for like a party. I'm getting red lipstick everywhere because this is like shiny lip. So when your hair goes, it goes with it. Love that for me. This is the makeup look I did. I'm obviously not very good at eyeshadow, but I feel like that's a lot more realistic for, you know, normal people who aren't Nikki tutorials and can't do that makeup because I cannot. So I don't know, maybe you can, but if you can't, then I am here to help you and save the day. I'm just kidding, it's pretty basic. Obviously pretty basic holiday glam. You've probably seen this 10 million and one times, but here I am to show you it 10 million and two times. But yeah, I'm wearing my ugly sweater. It has a wiener dog on it and it says Wiener Wonderland, like Winter Wonderland. It's pretty cute. I feel like I look pretty washed out right now, so I'm sorry about that if I look like that through the whole video. I don't really know. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and let's just get into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed through my face makeup because I feel like that's pretty boring and kind of in a rush. Yes, I already have my mascara on. I'm way too lazy to take it off, so that's not happening. But now I'm just gonna do my face makeup and then I'll come back to you for the eyes. Okay, so I'm back and my face makeup is done for the most part. Please ignore how my hair looks and how everything looks because I look like a mess. I'm going to be taking my Carly Bible palette. I'm going to be using my Carly Bible palette today. My face looks really light. Okay. I'm going to take this shade first. Obviously there's no names. It's just like a really light orangey as my transition shade. And it's barely gonna show up, so it's like not a big deal. And then the second shade I'm going to use is this one. It's like a darker orange. And I'm just going to put that like right in my crease. This is going to be the most basic Christmas glam I've ever seen, and I'm really sorry. It's just like the perfect holiday makeup, you know? Why would you do something else? Next, I'm going to take this like warm chocolatey brown. Can you even see? I don't even know. And I'm just gonna put that like on the outer corner, like here. I'm gonna just like circle it around, and I'm going to bring that into like deep into my crease. I'm not bringing it like high. For a little more definition, you know. My mascara is like gray right now because all my face makeup. But next I'm gonna take this really dark brown. It's like a cool tone brown though. And I'm only gonna put that on my outer corner. I'm gonna like pack it on there kinda. And then blend that out with a clean brush. Next I'm going to take this highlighter shade. It's gold. And I'm gonna take that on my finger because brushes are terrible for shimmery shades. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Well, not all over. Like the inner part where we didn't put that brown. I'm also going to take this like eyeshadow gold because it's more dark. It's more of a gold. And I'm going to put that on my lid as well, over top of that highlighter. I'm so sad they don't sell this palette anymore. Okay, I have makeup all over my hands now. Now I'm just going to blend that in the crease. I'm gonna add a little more of the dark brown on the outer corners, and then add again that shimmery shade just so we don't like lose it. To my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the two oranges I used first and smoke out the bottom. I think that smoking out your eyeshadow on the bottom just makes everything look so much better. And then I'm going to take that really dark brown that I used only on the outer corner and put it like on the outer parts of my lower lash line. and bring it up to meet with that. Then I'm gonna blend that a little. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm gonna use my Anastasia. Brush out my eyebrows. I'm gonna fast forward through this because it's boring. All of our eyebrows are different. And then I'm just gonna touch up my mascara. I'm using the Clinique High Impact Mascara Impact Optimal. That's a long name. That's what it looks like. That's what I'm using right now. I really want L'Oreal Telescopic again because that is unbeatable. Every single time I do my mascara, I get some right here. Don't ask me how because I don't even know. But I'm just gonna let it dry and then it'll like flake right off, you know what I mean? But for now, I'm going to do my highlighter. And I'm just gonna put that gold that I used, the highlighter gold, and put that on my cheekbones. Also gonna put that above my eyebrow a little. And then I'm gonna put it on my brow bone as well. And on my nose. Duh! Oh my god, I knew I was forgetting something. Okay, let's get this mascara off. Now I'm gonna put highlighter on this cheek. I can't decide if I want to do a red lip or if I want to just do nude because I'm gonna be eating. So I don't know. Honestly, I'll probably just put a red lip on for this video and then take it off. So I'm going to be using this Milani Amore Shine liquid lip in the shade Passion. It's just like a glossy red. I don't really like matte lips. They make my lips look gross. Wow, I'm really good at doing lipstick. Oh, it's really like annoying me that this red doesn't match my sweater. Yeah, I'm not gonna do my hair in this video. This red lip looks horrible on me. Let's be real. This is my Christmas Eve holiday party makeup tutorial. Or not makeup tutorial, get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry that I wasn't like hype. I'm in a rush and I'm just trying to, you know, get content up for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. This makeup look is obviously pretty basic holiday glam, but I hope you guys still like it and learn from it. I'm obviously not very good at eyeshadow, but I feel like that's more realistic to help people do their makeup. So yeah, this is the final look, and if you like it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be a what I got for Christmas. So stay tuned. Bye!